Hey, we're John and Lucy, welcome back to the channel. We've got more stories, laughs and maybe a little chaos coming your way. So join us on our adventures as we travel the world and its unforgettable experiences.
Hi everyone, in this video we're heading up one of Chiang Mai's most iconic spots, Doi Suthep, also known as the Golden Temple. So getting out to the temple is quite straightforward. You can either get a tuk-tuk or a taxi, or you can pick up one of the red pickup truck taxis as well that are driving around the city. So you can either wave one of those down, or it's quite often you'll see the drivers outside them trying to sell trips, etc. Alternatively, you can obviously drive, and there's plenty of parking, so if you've got a car or a scooter, that's an option as well. Once you've made it out of the city, up the mountain to the temple complex itself, you'll find plenty of shops, places to get drinks, snacks, and lots of little local gifts that are really nice, worth having a look around. So once you've got through the little shopping area, the next thing is getting up to the temple. So to do that, there's a really long staircase, 308 steps, but definitely remember to take a drink, it does get really hot. As with any temple, be respectful, so make sure you're covered, you're wearing the appropriate clothing. Flip-flops have to be taken off before you go into the main temple itself, and you'll leave those out the front.
There are some handmade colourful decorations which I believe are here for Songkran, the Thai New Year, as well as these bells that chime in the wind, which is quite peaceful and very pretty, which you can buy at the temple or at the shops. So inside you can get blessed by a monk, so here's me getting blessed for a small donation. So this goes to the upkeeping of the temple, and you get blessed with some holy water. As you can see, you're surrounded by Buddhas which are all gold plated. The monks don't say anything to you, but they do smile. As you can see, they're very happy. So within the temple, they have a row of Buddhas which represent each day of the week, except a Wednesday. This is an exception, where they have two Buddhas which represent one for the morning and one for the afternoon. So depending on when you were born, if you were born on a Wednesday, would depend on which Buddha represents your time of birth. Again, these can be purchased at the bottom, which is a nice souvenir to take home. Everything within the temple is very beautiful, and as you can see, there's lots of gold-plated items. It's very well kept. This is done by the monks who live at the temple behind. There's lots of opportunities to make a donation around the temple, as you can see here. You can freely walk around the grounds, there's not many restricted areas. Again, there's lots of gold-plated items within the temple. There's a statue of a monk which does look very lifelike. When you first see the statue, you do question, is it a real monk or is it not? There's also a viewing point which gives you the view of Chiang Mai, which is beautiful. You can see the airport, you can see the whole of Chiang Mai, you can see into the city. So on a clear day, you can see quite far.
So that's it, that's our quick whistle-stop tour video around Doi Suthep. Look, we hope you enjoyed the video. It's new to us, so if you like and subscribe, it makes a big difference and it really means a lot. Catch you on the next video.